Hi friends. Welcome to my channel English Learning. In this video we learn about the use of this, that, these and those. If you like this video, kindly hit like button and share to all. Use of this, that, these, and those. We use this and these when we point something near to us. We use that and those when we point to something far from us. This and that are used for a singular thing. These and those are used for the plural things. Example of this: remember, we use this for a singular thing and something near to us. This is my school. This is a book. This is not a tiger. Is this a horse? I like this book a lot. This is an apple. This is a boy. Is this a red pen? This is blue pen. This is not a red pen. Example of these: remember, we use these for the plural things and something near to us. These are books. These boys are students. These flowers are beautiful. Do you like these shoes? Have you read all these papers? These books are mine. These chairs are broken. Whose pens are these? These are my colleagues. These shoes are black. Example of that: remember, we use that for a singular thing and something far from us. That is a pen. That is an ink pot. That is not an ink pot. That plane is a toy. What is that? Whose car is that? That dog is hers. That is not a goat. Is that a tiger? That is a horse. Example of those. Remember, we use those for the plural things and something far from us. Those are Bengals. Those are beautiful flowers. Those are my keys. Are those not my keys? Those keys are not yours. Those are ink pots. Those shoes are gray. Those glasses are for reading. Who are those strangers? Those are students. If you like the video, please share to all. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive new video update.